How you doing? I've watched the top 15 YouTube videos on how to grow your YouTube channel in 2019. I spent over 4 hours going over these videos and making notes on what they've recommended. I want to now share that information that I gained from watching those videos with you. Hello everybody, I'm Les Waller on the Financial Independence Now YouTube channel, and I'm here to help you gain financial independence now, so you can enjoy the rest of your life. Join me as we go through how to grow your YouTube channel fast. 15 tips for 2019. Let's get to it. The order that I'm going to put these is kind of in the order that you want to do things, but not necessarily. Some things can be moved around a little bit, but listen to them all. All right, so number one, hit that record button. Just get started. Your channel isn't going anywhere unless you start uploading content and making videos. You can only study videos and watch YouTube videos on how to do things for so long before you need to get out there and make your own videos. Number two, be consistent. A minimum of 1 video a week or 3 times a week, or if you can, every day. The more often that you make videos, the easier it becomes to make them. You'll be able to establish a workflow, and what took you 4 or 5 hours to make a video to begin with, 30, 40 videos down the road, you'll be taking an hour or less to make that same video. Enjoy the process. That's right. Why else are we doing this? We're doing this because we want to have a job that doesn't feel like it's a job. It's something that's fun, something we enjoy doing, something we wake up in the morning, it's like, yes, I'm going to make another video today. Let's get to it. On the other hand, if it's starting to feel like it's a job and you're starting to hate doing it, then maybe you should look into another line of work. A couple reasons are given to making videos daily. One, it gets you used to the process. It gets you used to learning how to do different things. And things become second habit. Also, it gets you more comfortable in front of the camera. Every time that you do this, you get, oh, this is pretty easy. I can do this. You know, you get down 100, 200 videos, you be like, oh, time to make a video. Let's go knock one out. Another reason that was given for making daily content is if you put up a daily video for 365 days, that's 365 chances you've got of hitting a very, very big video. And a big video can make lots of traction. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you an example of exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's a case in point. We got Vanessa Lau's YouTube channel here. You'll see she started 2 years ago with a video. Then 6 months ago she had a video. And you can see she did maybe 4 videos 6 months ago. And then 5 months ago she did a couple videos. And 4 months ago a couple. 3 months ago a couple. 1 month ago a couple. And then all of a sudden, when she had like around 1,000 subscribers at that point, 1 month ago. Organic growth hacks. Instagram 2019, 460,000 views. What did that do for her? So she went from 1,000 subscribers to 23,000 subscribers now. And this is something that just happened a little over a month ago. So the idea of having more than one, the more videos that you put out, the more chances you're going to hit on the right combination of thumbnail and all that good stuff, which we'll cover later. But that tells you that putting out content is important. If you're not putting out content, you're not going to have a video that's going to go big. The last part of being consistent is to keep a schedule. So whether it's 1 day a week or 3 days a week or every day, make sure you publish the videos at the same time. People are habitual. If they see that your video is coming out at 8 p.m. on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and they like your videos, they're going to be looking forward to that video coming out at that time. They're going to be there waiting for it to come out. Look at these big YouTubers and look at the comments when you see when their video comes out, and people are like, yeah. Or if they're a little bit late, then the people are like, oh my God, what happened? So keep schedule. Number 3, plan videos in advance. You should have at least 20, 30, 50, 100 ideas on a list. Some free software you can use for that is Trello, T-R-E-L-L-O. Along with the ideas of planning videos in advance, another type of video that you can do as part of it are milestone videos. So for example, when I hit 100 subscribers, I can do a video. How to get 100 subscribers? I get 1,000 subscribers. How do I get 1,000 subscribers? Adds more content. It's relevant to my channel. Number 4, title, description, tags, thumbnail, subtitles, end cards, call to action. All of these points are very important. Number 5, be a YouTube student. Study 20 channels in your niche that are on the top. Study their thumbnails, their titles, the trailer that they use in their video, the hook that they use, and their call to action. They're successful for a reason. Subscribe to their channels, hit that notification bell, and that way, as soon as they've published that next video, watch it, make a valuable comment on the video that will provide values to others or interact with that content creator. This does several things. One, the content creator could interact with you, and if you're doing that frequently enough, maybe at some point that content creator is going to check out your channel. The other thing, other people who are watching that channel will look at your content, you look at your views and go, oh wow, this guy sounds like he knows what he's talking about. And they're going to look at your channel. Hey, more subscribers, more views on your videos. But do not, let me say that again, do not put in there sub for sub. That is not the way to grow your YouTube channel. And if somebody else sees that has any inkling of what they're doing on YouTube, it's like, it just turns people off completely. Plan the video before you shoot it. This allows you to plan and figure out, okay, what's the shot that I want to use for a thumbnail? Instead of trying to capture something from a video that you've made, you can actually specifically shoot your thumbnail. You can research competitors' videos and look at what their thumbnails are, or what ones are working. You're going to have to be able to compete. The industry is getting filled with a lot of people that want to be successful in YouTube. And in order for you to compete, then it means your thumbnail has to be better than theirs. Your title's got to be better than theirs. You need a high click-through rate. Part of the planning in that video is the hook. Let me show you some samples.
Now, I know a lot of you here on YouTube would literally love to have your channel explode and get a ton of views and a ton of subscribers. So if you're looking for those insider secrets, this is the video for you. Don't miss out.
All right, there's one example of a hook. Gets your interest, you're interested in it. Yeah, I want to watch this. So basically what the hook is the hook is there to hook the audience to staying and watch the rest of the video. The next thing you need to do, that brings us to number 7. Number 7 is you need to have a 30-second or less elevator speech. For example, I'm here to help you gain financial independence now so you can do what you want for the rest of your life. That's my 30-second speech. It's what I have to offer and how I propose to give it to you. So you need to come up with a short speech, and you'll see that branded across all of my social media as part of my branding as well. Well, that leads us to our first commercial break. Ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? Les Waller here with Financial Independence Now. We're halfway through the How to Grow YouTube channel fast, and so I thought I would like to recommend to you Sean Cannell's YouTube Secrets, the ultimate guide to growing your following and making money as a video influencer. I highly recommend this book. You'll see the description below. You'll see a link that goes to getting more information on this great book. As you can see here, they also have a Kindle version as well as a paperback version. Let's get back to the second half of how to grow your YouTube channel fast. All right, Les, thanks for letting us know about that book. Number 8, content. The content must be valuable to your audience. Which means you need to know who is your audience. Who are you addressing this to? You need to be you. And being you is better than trying to copy somebody else, their style or how they're delivering stuff like that. Be yourself. Be different. It is much better to be different than like somebody else, because people will like you because you're different. You know what they say? Content is king. If your content isn't any good, then they're not going to watch the rest of your video, and they're going to be off watching somebody else's video. If your video is good, then they're more likely to not only watch the rest of your video, but also to watch other videos that you've produced as well. Number 9, if something in your niche is trending, make a video on the same topic, but make it yours. Don't copy what they're doing. Don't copy what they're saying. Bring your personality into the video. Put your twist to it. Either that, or you can go more in depth on that subject, bring more information and more value to the audience on the same subject. Provide more value to your viewers. Number 10, if you have a hit video, you can do a series of videos related to that same topic. You could also do a part 2 to that video. Number 11, connect with your audience. Respond to all their comments. Don't just respond by saying, hi, thanks, lovely comment. Ask them, hey, what did you like about this particular video? What didn't you like about this video? How's your day been going? How did you find this channel? What type of content would you like to see in the future? Engage with them, ask them questions, because while you're small like this, you're still able to do that relatively easily. And by engaging with your audience, you're going to get viewers who are like, wow, this guy really cares about me. And you do. You have to care about your audience. Because if it's just me here and I have no audience, well, the hell good is that? So you all out there that watch my content, I really do appreciate it, because without you, I am just talking to a camera. Also, remember, you are one person. If you have 10 subscribers, 100 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, each one of those can bring in 2 or 3 people into your community. Number 12, use social media to promote your videos. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. All of these social media tools can be used to promote your videos. Do that. And if you want to find a way of tracking the different social media that you're using, Gary Vee has made what's called the Gary Vee content model. I've left a link in the description to Gary Vee's content model. It goes directly to his website. There's a PowerPoint presentation there that you can watch and make notes. I made notes and put it on my own spreadsheet here, so that way I'd have my own version of it. 13, keep posting videos. This is a marathon, not a sprint. You need to be persistent. Don't give up. Most YouTubers give up before they even give it a chance to work and get going. This is not, let me say that again, this is not going to happen overnight. Number 14, quality equipment. The better the quality you have, the better it's received. Most important thing is sound. If sound is crappy, people are going to bump off quickly. So if your video is a little crappy, they'll still watch it, but you got to have that sound. And last but not least, paid ads. If you want to reach more people more quickly, then maybe you're going to need to do is spend some money to get some paid ads out there to get more eyeballs on your videos. That's about it, folks. So just to let you all know, the videos that I source this information from will be in the description below. So if you want to research those videos yourselves and look at them, then take a look in the description below. And with that, thank you very much. We'll catch you on the next one. One of the reasons given, well, gotta stop looking at it. I should put this over here. Oh, crap. I gotta renumber these. Battery's going dead. Crap.